It's been 3 days since I uploaded a video, and here's why. On May 28th, May 29th, and June 1st, I took 3 significant losses. These losses didn't happen because I ignored my edge or broke my rules. I followed my strategy, but high impact volume and news events repeatedly took me out of the market. That made me ask myself an important question. Why did this happen? I don't expect to be right all the time, but taking losses like that consecutively really got to me. As a trader and as a human being, I felt it. So I stepped back, reviewed everything, and studied those trades according to my strategy. After doing that, I discovered a refinement that I believe improves my edge by around 10%. Today was my first day testing that refinement. However, I was still carrying some emotion from the previous losses, so I didn't allow the refinement to play out exactly as intended. Starting tomorrow, I'll be trading the refinement exactly as designed and allowing it to play through completely. Now for today's analysis. On the weekly time frame, price is moving downward after reacting from supply. The daily time frame is currently heading toward demand after reacting from supply. On the 4-hour time frame, price missed demand by a very small margin and is now moving toward supply. On the 1-hour time frame, price is currently sitting in supply after touching a demand. So my plan for today is simple. If price gives me a bearish confirmation while inside supply during the New York session, I'll be looking for sales. However, if price reaches demand first and provides bullish confirmation, then I'll be willing to follow the buys instead. That's the plan for day 32. That's the outcome for day 32. Today was a first entry win. Price eventually reached demand just as anticipated. For this trade, I split my position into 2 separate risks. The first position risked 0.5% and targeted a 1:1 reward to risk ratio. The second position risked 0.25% and was intended to reach a 1:2 reward to risk ratio. Price successfully delivered the 1:1 target, allowing me to secure profit on the first position. I then moved the second position to break even, but price eventually retraced and took me out before continuing. After that, I called it a day. A positive result, a lesson learned from the previous losses, and the first successful day while testing the new refinement. We move on to day 33.